Another importance or significance, or I would say usefulness of law of diminishing marginal utility is to the monopolist. A monopolist is a person who have a single most dominance in the market. He is the only producer and seller of that thing. So, the knowledge of law of diminishing marginal utility is useful for a monopolist is to determine the different prices for the same product or service. So what does this monopolist do? He tries to identify the marginal utility in different segment of a person. Higher the marginal utility, higher will be the want for it. So he can charge high. And lesser the marginal utility, lesser will be the want, so he will not charge for the same. So what do a monopolist understand? That if the higher will be the utility, higher will be the want, so he can charge a little premium. So for the same product, lesser is the utility, lesser is the demand, so the price he'll keep it little less in order to attract the customers. So with the same product and same services, he can discriminate the price structure according to the utility needs. So if the marginal utility is understood, he can identify the pricing structure and pricing discrimination. I'll give you an example. Let's say there is a teacher for English in the market. She is the single teacher for English in the market, so she is as good as monopolist. So now a student comes and tells her, "Ma'am, I want to learn English." She tells, "Okay, pay 2,000 rupees and sit and learn." So he pays 2,000. Another student says, "Ma'am, my fundamentals are very weak. You are the only teacher who will improve my skills. So kindly take me as your student. I'll give you whatever you want to say." Teacher says, "Give me 4,000 and you can join my classes." Another student who have failed in English last year will come to ma'am, I have failed last year. Now you are the only one. Whatever you want to take, you take. Give me the opportunity to be your student. So now she understands for her, the third student, the utility is highest. So she'll charge, okay, give me 6,000. So if you notice, the same teaching will be charged at 2,000 lesser utility, 4,000 slightly higher utility, 6,000 at highest utility. So more is the utility, more is the demand, higher will be the price. So for a monopolist, it will be very easy to create a price discrimination and enhance its profit.